Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video because you didn't have to, but while you're here, please like, share, and subscribe. So, today's video, I want to do a DIY Bling Crocs. Show you guys how I blinged out Carlin little Crocs because they so plain. And I got these from Once Upon a Child. And everyone may have this in their city they live in. But it's a almost like a thrift store for kids. I got these for $3. And I decided to bling them out. And I got this idea on Facebook. But it was for adults Crocs. So I figured, why not do it on little kids Crocs? It makes it fun. It makes it, yeah, make them want to wear it or whatever. And excuse my little work area. Kind of messy, but that's okay. So I'm going to show you guys everything you're going to need for this video. I have some accessories. I got these. Let me see this. Okay. I got these from Michael's, the little donut and stuff. Michael's. And you can always find coupons for Michael's. I also got these from Michael's. I have these little things right here from, where I get these? Walmart. And I have some other ones. Just a second. Have some that come in little packs like this from Walmart, and you can get these like with like 5 of them in the pack for 99¢, and some of them you can find for 49¢. Also, matter of fact, it was 98¢. I said 99¢, but 98¢, whatever. You're gonna need some glue sticks, of course, or you can use the what is it called? Hold on, guys. You can eat. I can't even talk. You can use the E6000 glue if you don't want to use hot glue. But I have the high temp glue gun. So also you're gonna need your glue gun if you're using the glue gun, glue stick, of course, if you're not using this. You're gonna need wipes. You're gonna see why you need wipes in a second. Of course, your Crocs. She have this color, the blue color and green or yellow or whatever you want to call it, and she have the pink and purple. Yeah, these look a mess, but this is where the wipes come in. Like I said, I only got paid like $3 for these. Now, to do this, you don't have to have brand new Crocs. If you want to go out and buy brand new Crocs or whatever, you can do that. But I'm not doing that. I'm going to use this because I'm going to put glue and stuff all over it, so there's no need for brand new Crocs. But if you want the brand new Croc look and the real Crocs that have the little thing that come over or whatever, you can do that. But for my toddler, I'm not doing that. For myself, yes, I will do that. So, you're going to take your wipe and, of course, wipe it down. Because, like I said, these are used. Or you can wash them in the washing machine if you want to do that, too. But, I'm just going to wipe these down. I'm going to go ahead and wipe the other ones down also. She's been wearing these already, so that's why these are a little dirtier than the other one. She wear these. She wear these like crazy. These are her everyday shoes she put on. Okay, now you saw this one already. I did this one off camera. All we're going to do is mimic this one so that the other one can look exactly like this one. Oh, yeah.
getting stronger, stronger. Every day life goes by. I'm getting stronger, stronger. I got a lot of reasons to smile. I'm getting stronger, stronger. I'm good. I never knew that I could be a strong woman. I had to take my chance and now I'm not so different. I never thought that I could never see you around. But I messed up believing everything that you say. But it don't matter 'cause I cared enough to walk away and not play the game. And baby, I tried so hard not to let you slip away. But I can't be foolish to take myself through all of this. Every day I'm getting stronger, stronger. I got a lot of reasons to smile. I'm getting stronger, stronger. Every day life goes by. I'm getting stronger, stronger. I got a lot of reasons to smile. I'm getting stronger, stronger. I'm good, baby. Oh, hell no. I won't make this mistake again. Oh, and I won't play your games, baby. Oh, no, no, no. Just listen to this song and let me tell you so. 'Cause I'm official, baby. I move a different, baby. You gotta treat me right if you want my loving, baby.
Okay, y'all, so first I went and got me some tweezers because I just kept getting burnt and it doesn't feel good. And second, I feel like this side needs something, so I'm going to use this chain to put on there, and I'm going to put it on this one also, of course, because it has it on this, but I don't know if I'm going to put on this side or this side. I think I should put on this side because this side don't have anything either, but we'll see. Okay, now we're on to the next shoe. And we're going to spell her name on it.